So, we have a new Apple Watch band. Because the other one is delayed thanks to Amazon. And I just picked this up for like 15 bucks at the pharmacy. They had a... So this looks good. It's just a hype. Not sure what it is, but here it is. This is everything. Series 1. Oh, you can use this for your oldest Apple Watch. How nice. So, it's a kind of cheap one. Some boxes. Not the best packaging, so I don't expect the quality to be great. Oops. Sorry there, you green. Okay. Pop it out. That was a struggle. And, what name is this? Oh, okay, this is it. It snaps. Okay. Wonderful. Wait a minute. No, it doesn't. That's not supposed to be like that, I think. Okay. So, something else. Oh, whatever. Well, I'll fix this I'll fix that whenever. So this is this bottom part goes down here. That's how it looks like. And this part goes here. Have to slide it. It's not the best quality, I'll tell you that. It's kind of a... Oh, it doesn't want to go in. No, it wants to go in? Alright. So... Is this how I put it in? Got it. Okay. Well, not the best feeling. So, yeah. This is it. This is the hype Apple Watch band. I'll figure this out later. I'm not actually going to wear this one, but I just want to make a quick video until the other watch bands come. So if you like this video, I want you to hit that subscribe button and wait for a better quality watch band to come about. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.